Welcome to video number 6, where we'll talk about optimizing your existing traffic. Let me ask you a question. If one of your existing customers brought a friend to you who wanted to give you $100, would you accept it? Or would you just shrug and continue walking along? Maybe it's a trick question. I'll let you think about it for a second. No, of course, it's a silly question. Because you know you'd totally snatch that money out of their hands, right? You'd do it so fast, you'd be like a big old blur. And yet there are tons of marketers out there who aren't letting their customers refer their friends and send them new business. That's a huge mistake, and it's probably one that's worth thousands of dollars. But not you. You're going to make full use of your existing traffic and customers, right? So that's why in this video, you're going to find out how to optimize your existing traffic and turn it into more traffic, more sales, and more cash. So first off, let's talk about optimizing the traffic that's already coming to your site. Chances are a majority of your traffic is leaving without taking any action. For example, let's suppose you have a 3% conversion rate on a sales letter. For every 100 people who come to the sales page, 3 people buy your product. Now the downside is that also means 97 people are leaving your site, and some of them won't ever be back. Ouch, that hurts, right? So what's the solution? You need to start capturing your exit traffic onto a mailing list. And one excellent way to do this is to put an intriguing lead magnet offer right in front of your visitors as soon as they hit the back button or otherwise try to leave the site. There's a nifty app called Catch-A-Monkey that can redirect your exit traffic for you to any page, meaning that you don't need any code to start redirecting the traffic. For best results, you want to be sure to create an eye-catching landing page that commands attention, since this is your last chance to monetize the visitor. Just check the resource section on the site to find a link to Landing Page Monkey. This app gives you the ability to create stunning landing pages with only a few clicks of your mouse. There's no coding or any other technical experience required. And you'll also find more information about the Catch-A-Monkey app in the resource section. Okay, so now what do you offer to entice this exit traffic to join your list? It's quite simple. You offer them something that's highly desirable, something that's valuable, and something that's related to what they were just looking at. For example, let's suppose you have a visitor who's coming off a sales page for a weight loss product. Sure, you'd probably get a lot of takers if you offered these folks a free bowl of ice cream with chocolate sauce. I know I'd take it, but we're trying to solve their problems, not create some. So in this case, you'd offer a free fat loss report, maybe a video, or even a calorie counting app that helps people shed the fat. Okay? One final note, be sure this freebie works as a sales tool by naturally guiding people to the paid product. For example, a free report on weight loss should stand alone and be useful, right? Yet visitors should naturally want to purchase the full version of the product to get the complete plan for losing weight and getting into shape, okay? Moving on then. The second thing you can do to optimize your existing traffic is to start a referral program. And this is where you give your existing prospects and customers an incentive to tell others about your products and services. Now, here's a cool tool alert. You can use the Social Share Monkey app to completely automate this process, as the app unlocks your free gift for your visitors only after someone has shared your content on Facebook, Twitter, or some other social media. The free gift you offer might be a product such as a video, an ebook, or maybe even software, or you might offer a discount coupon on your products or services. One way to really boost referrals is to offer both parties an incentive. For example, when the online bank ING was building their business, they offered people $25 to refer their friends. When their friends opened up a bank account, ING deposited $25 into both the new customer's account as well as the existing customer's account. And there's no reason why you can't do the same kind of thing. Perhaps you can offer a free product to both parties if the referral purchases a product or service from you. Or maybe you can offer a discount to both parties. Whatever it is you choose, just make sure it's something your target market really wants, besides ice cream and chocolate sauce, and you're sure to get plenty of referrals. Now, let's look at the last method. The third thing you can do to optimize your existing traffic is start a loyalty program. The idea here is to offer your existing customers an incentive to keep coming back to your site to purchase more products and services. You've seen this plenty of times elsewhere. For example, your credit cards, hotels, and airlines often offer reward points for each purchase, which can be exchanged for flights, hotel stays, gift certificates, and other kinds of rewards. Most likely, you've even seen this at the local coffee shop where you're offered a free coffee for every 5 or 10 cups of coffee you purchase. Of course, you can do the same thing. If you have a consumable product or even a service, you can offer a program where customers get a free one after they've made 5 or 10 purchases. Another way to do it is to offer reward points, which is where customers get a point for every dollar they spend with you. These reward points can then be exchanged for your own products and services, as well as the products and services that belong to your joint venture customers. And the end result of this is that you can turn average customers into rabid repeat buyers. If you combine this with a referral program, then you can watch both your traffic and sales totally explode. So there you have it. 3 ways to optimize your existing traffic, including capturing exit traffic onto a mailing list, starting a referral program, and starting a customer loyalty program. This stuff really works, so I recommend you start putting these strategies to work for you as soon as possible. And I'll see you soon.